At Suncast, we create smart, stylish solutions for a better organized, more beautiful home, like the elegant Sutton storage shed. Perfect for any outdoor space, each unit is designed for easy installation, requiring few tools and minimal setup, thanks to our handy Easy Bolt technology. Once built, your new shed will be as sturdy as it is stylish, with weather-resistant resin construction to protect interior contents and eliminate any risk of rust or rot over the lifetime of the product. Plus, it's as easy to clean as it is to use. Classically appointed with design accents including shingle-style roof panels to increase aesthetic appeal and functional vents to increase air circulation and manage inside temperature, the Sutton shed perfectly balances form and function. Interior steel support ensures the strength and stability of the structure, while the reinforced floor is designed for heavy items and equipment such as riding mowers and more. Each shed features 2 interior metal latches for increased security, one at the base of the unit and a second at the top to ensure closed doors stay closed, plus metal hinges to improve operation and performance. There's no end of organizational opportunities to explore with your new Sutton shed. From summer staples including lawn and gardening gear to fall essentials like rakes or hedge trimmers, and all your cold weather tools and gear too. Optional accessories make it easy to get the most of your space in any season. Plus, with the padlockable handles, you can be sure contents will remain safe and secure all year long. Just choose the size that's right for you, 7x4 or 7x7. The stylish design perfectly complements any home or environment. The Sutton Storage Shed. It's just another smart solution from Suncast.